I do believe. Okay, that's prepared. So we need to do the biscuits first. And the butter's 75 grams. God damn, that's a lot. And we've got a scoop, got a scale, some butter. The biscuits are going in here. Biscuits. And digestive biscuits for the base. And then I'm going to put them in the bag. It says food processor, but I don't have a food processor. I'm not going to get one either, I don't think. So we'll just use sheer brute force. You ever wondered what, that's 250 grams on the dot, weirdly. That's 250 grams worth of biscuits. That's going to be the base. This is how big the cake's going to be. Going in the bag. Put the biscuits in the bag. I'm going to seal it up. Alright. Oh shit, it's got air in it. There we go, no more air. Actually, I'll leave it open a little bit. It's like it was done in the olden days. You need no food processors here. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's move that out of the way so people don't think I'm crazy. 75 grams of unsalted butter. We're not using unsalted butter, we're using olive spread. Light olive spread. $75 grams of butter, and we're going to put it in a mixing jug. That is a lot. Looks good though. So it says till it clumps together. And then we've got to put it in the base of the tin. Oh, actually in the base of the tin it doesn't look like much. So there we go, the base, as we can see. Focus camera, thank you. The base is all set up. Lovely job. Lovely job. What does it say? Put it into creating like a layer, sorry. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Right, put it in the fridge. Okay. Maybe we should put the butter away. That might be a good idea. Lovely. Let's put the butter away. Right, let's get all the cream cheese in that. Look at how much cream cheese you need for this. This is 700 grams. These are 100 grams each. Double cream. Eggs. It didn't say what eggs, so I just got large ones. Thought that might be a good option. What else? Vanilla extract we haven't got. Ooh, the alcohol. We're using Tangs. It says apple schnapps, but never going to find apple schnapps around here. So I got Tangs sour apple. It's been opened and someone's drank some of it already, but no, don't know, don't ask me. Cream cheese, whole eggs, and then an extra egg yolk. So it should be 4 whole eggs. Alright, we're going to use the bowl. What else? 125. 650. That's 3. That's 300. That's okay. 100 milligram. 140. 24. Hello. What's here? What's here? There's sausage. Yeah, I'd say that's about 130. Alright, we're gonna add that to the mix. Oh wow, that made a really cool pattern. Let's make sure all that goes in there, shall we? We're enough of it anyway. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, what else? Cream cheese, so we've got, cornflour. Oh, let me put cornflour. I think cornflour. Never used cornflour in my life. It says 2 tablespoons. That's big. Alright, let's do a smaller one the second time. I wonder if this is just for like... That's a tablespoon? Awesome. I wonder if this is just for like binding. Because I don't know if you can see... Okay, this looks really dodgy showing it on camera, but it's just cornflour. But it's really fine. It's like really... It's like powdered, like sherbet. Remember sherbet? It's like that. Anyway, it's going in. Sniff. No. 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 Don't ban me, Twitch. It's just cornflour, I promise. Caster sugar. We're not using caster sugar, we're using protein powder because it has vanilla in it. I couldn't get vanilla extract because round here everything's impossible to find. It'll be fine. There we go. I want to know what that's going to do to it. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to find out, isn't it? Hello and welcome to Fury's restaurant. May I suggest a sausage? Cheap frills, cheap frills. I'll take 2. Greedy. I like it. Alright, this is going to be half. Yeah, that's about half. That's fine, we'll eat that later. Totally not inspired by you. I mean, yeah, that's something too good. To be honest, I'll be honest, I'm going to defend myself a little bit here. So, wait one sec, let me clear this out. There we go. And then I can... What I've been waiting to do, I can do this. Soft cheese is so bad for you, but it tastes so good. Promise. Right, this looks... Oh, where's the camera? There we go. Okay, I keep looking here because this is where you are. This is where chat is. I feel like I'm going to drop this bowl, but... Yeah, I can't tilt it too much because the cream wants to escape. Alright, that's it anyway. Right, it says food processor. We don't do food processors here because we're alpha giga chad males. They're the only kind of people who are allowed to use these. I see those eyes.
About the scent of pussy wafting through the house when we come in.
Supposed to be in it? Oh, 6. Holy shit. Okay, in that case, 6cl. Here we go. Oh. Oh wow, that runs like really nicely. It's already seeping down, I can see it. Oh shit. Yeah, I can... You know what, I'm going to pour it in and then we'll measure it. And we'll see if it is... Wow, that's so much. It's made it to the top. It actually looks amazing though. It's fucking huge. Okay, I mean... There we go. The oven. It's in there. It's in there. They look good on the pictures. They look nice. We'll do them. Oh, that's what she's making on the cover. She's there again. Look at her. Cake time. That is a lot of water. It didn't evaporate. There it is. There it is. Ta-da! No, I'm kidding. There we go. So this is what it currently looks like. It's probably not good. The thing's hot. Oh shit, all the water's pouring out of it as well. Yeah, there's lots of water in there. It's just full of water, I think.